Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate art in NightCafe. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. So on nightcafe.studio, select Start Creating. And here you can select different text to image algorithms, but I'm going to select Stable Diffusion since it's the most popular one. And here you can write down your prompt, but by clicking this random button, you can randomize a prompt. So let's select this one, and down here you can select your style. So by clicking show all, you can expand and see all the styles that are available. So let's select horror and scroll down a bit more. And here you can either create one image or 4 images. I'm going to click on one image. I don't want to create 4. So let's hit create and let's scroll down. And here's our image. I'm going to click on this thumbnail. And by simply clicking this button, you can download your image. And that's how to generate art in NightCafe. And if you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.